Welcome back to Summarize Science. We all know AI models like ChatGPT, but there's another powerful type called diffusion models. Historically, these diffusion models have been incredibly slow, almost like trying to watch a movie one frame at a time. But a new paper might have just fixed that, proposing a technique that could make them dozens of times faster. The paper is called Attention is All You Need for KV Cache in Diffusion LLMs, and its solution is brilliantly simple. To understand the solution, let's first look at the problem. When a diffusion model generates text, it does so in many small steps, refining its answer over and over. The standard way to do this involves recalculating everything for every token at every single step. As the researchers point out, this creates a massive amount of redundant work, like an artist completely redrawing a portrait just to change the color of one eye. The researchers made a few key observations about this wasteful process. First, they realized that the AI's shallow layers, which handle basic structure, figure things out quickly and don't change much. It's the deeper layers, handling complex meaning, that do most of the changing. They also found a clever trick. By watching the single part of the text that the model is paying the most attention to, they could get a reliable signal for when a big update was actually needed. Based on these insights, they created a system called Elastic Cache. Think of it as a smart resource manager for the AI's brain. Instead of recalculating everything, Elastic Cache reuses the information from the stable, shallow layers. It then uses that most attended token as a trigger to decide when to update the deeper, more complex layers. This means it only does the hard work when it's absolutely necessary, saving a huge amount of time. And the results are nothing short of incredible. Looking at their benchmarks in Table 1, their method achieved staggering speedups. On one task, they saw an 8.7x speedup, and on another, a whopping 45.1x speedup on longer sequences, as you can see here in Table 2. What's even more impressive is that this speed came with almost no loss in accuracy. In some cases, the model even got slightly more accurate. So, let's recap the key points. Diffusion AI models were powerful but too slow because they recalculated everything, all the time. The Elastic Cache method stops this waste by intelligently reusing old information and only updating the parts of the AI's memory that are actively changing. This results in massive speed improvements, making these models far more practical. What does this mean for the future? This breakthrough could unlock the potential of diffusion models for real-world applications, making powerful AI more accessible, cheaper to run, and faster than ever before. It's a huge step towards more efficient and capable artificial intelligence.